Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time to open this month's paper pumpkin. So let's get started. It is called Watercolor in Bloom, and let's see what we've got, shall we? We've got Night of Navy for the ink color. We've got our stamp set, and then let's get in there. I'm going to put this off to the side, see if I could do it without dropping. I'm cleaning up the studio, and of course it gets messier before it gets better. So let's go ahead and open this up. If you don't know what paper pumpkin is, it's a subscription paper crafting, and sometimes they send you stuff to make cards, sometimes it's boxes and treats, all kinds of fun stuff. Usually like during the holidays, like it was Christmas, they had Christmas cards, fall cards, some Halloween cards in the past. They have Valentine's, so we will see. They always give us everything. The only thing you normally need, I like to have a pair of paper snips. I like to have a block. It comes with a block, not this size. It comes with a D size block. And I also like to have a bone folder. Of course, my take your pick tool, which I always have to have whenever I'm doing crafting. So my take your pick tool. And then I'll have either glue or tape, because sometimes I just don't want to use this tape unless I'm traveling. Then it's all in the box and it works perfectly. But let's get to what we're here for. I just want to let you know everything that comes with it. So here we go. We also get some dimensionals. One little guy got lost here. These are sequins, and they're like a copper color. We've got our dimensionals, which gives a little bit of a lift on the cards to pop things up. We've got some card fronts, which it looks like maybe we'll stamp something here. We've got envelopes that match. Envelopes almost always match. And then we've got some card bases. This is already beautiful. I'm loving these colors. So we've got the 3 card bases here. So we know we're going to make at least 3 cards. Usually it's like 8 or 9 cards. We've got some cutouts here. We've got some ovals, some squares, and then some rectangles. We've got some ephemera. So we've got little leaves, some more leaves, flowers. Now these flowers are white, but you can color them. This is what I love about Stampin' Up. They give you all the designs to make, and then we go off on our own and make alternatives. So we've got 3 little plants there as well. Ooh, look at this. 1, 2, 3 bases. So again, 3 more cards. We've got more cutouts, but these are, let's see, 1, 2, 3. These are vellum. So we've got a large rectangle, a large oval, and a small rectangle of vellum. More card bases, so pretty. These colors are just gorgeous. And just so you see, the inside is white, so you don't have to, you know, put a white insert. It's already done. So we've got these. And when we're making alternatives, so we might make a regular card, and then when we do an alternative, we might take this and cut it, put it on our own cardstock, and then we'll have 2. Just so many ideas that come. And what we do is we get together. If you purchase your paper pumpkin through me, you can go right here, jeanpersani.stampinup.net, and order paper pumpkin. The following month we get together. Now this year we hadn't, because it's been such a whirlwind for me. But look at these cutouts. So So I'll cut these guys out for you, pop them out. So there's a rectangle there. And then look at this, so pretty. I believe these are laser cut. At least they look like it. And again, look at those, beautiful there. And then the rectangle. And even if you don't know how to stamp or make cards, this is the way to go. Go with your paper pumpkin, because guess what? They're always going to give you directions. So I'm trying to find a spot again. Studio craft room looks like a mess. So I didn't show you these stamps because I was waiting for this. And this is going to tell you exactly what the stamps were or are. So they match up perfectly right there. So, dear friend, thank you. The little things you do for me mean so much. Miss you so much. You make me feel loved. We got these little guys here. Some great stems. And there you go. So, how many stamps did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stamps, you guys. There's 9 stamps in here. And then it gives you an opportunity to buy if you wanted to punch out with a die cut machine. There's little dies that you can purchase separately. Shows you everything you get, what I just showed you. And then it shows you the cards. Look at those. These are going to be beautiful. Look at that. So you've got stamping. You've got ephemera that you can do. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I cannot wait. So, and then it gives you all step-by-step instructions. And it shows you, like, this is the little flower and you're going to use tape. This is the other little bouquet and you're going to use 2 dimensionals. So you know that it's going to pop up. Here, it shows you the flower and then it shows you 3 little sequins and shows you where to place those. So you can build them exactly as is, or you can go off on your own and build them. Or if you buy the paper pumpkin through me, again, you can go to beautyandthestamper.com, sign up for the newsletter, or go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net and get in contact with me, or purchase the paper pumpkin through there. Either one of these sites will work. And you guys, I'm so looking forward to crafting with you all again. We're going to start the year out right. So I'm finishing the year with, you know, this was not the best 2025 for me. But 2026, I put in for a better year. So apparently I forgot to put in for a good year last year. Anyways, I cannot wait to see you guys again. Stamping with you beauties is some of my most fun highlights, especially doing it live. We do it on Zoom, and I cannot wait to hang out with you all again. All right, beauties, have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.